Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining me. Today we have the griddle out and I want to show you how to make my grilled chicken Caesar sandwich. This sandwich is pretty good. It's one of my favorites and been making it for over 20 years. Right here I have some marinated chicken breasts. It's truffle oil, salt and pepper, and some garlic. Pretty simple, straightforward. We'll go ahead and throw this chicken breast down. Put a lid on it so it cooks faster. I got 3 pieces of bacon. You could use any kind of bacon that you want, whatever's your favorite, works fine. I made this garlic butter parmesan spread. It's just garlic, butter, and freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And then I bought some sourdough bread, and I'm gonna lather this on nice so that it has a nice crust when it grills on the grill. I bought this bread at Costco. It's pretty good sourdough bread. I think it's made locally here in Oregon. I like to use good ingredients. I think the better the ingredients, the better the end product. So now that we got 2 pieces of bread on there, I bought some imported Swiss cheese. You could use whatever you have. If you want to use pepper jack or cheddar or American, that would be fine too. Swiss is just the way I go. Okay, now that we got our cheese down, next is Caesar dressing. I went ahead and bought this from the store. Normally I would make it, but for time reasons I just went ahead and bought it. Here we got some nice steak tomatoes. I'm going to do a couple slices and we'll go ahead and just throw that on the grill and slightly warm them up a little bit so it doesn't make your sandwich cold. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get the avocado ready. We'll get the skin off of this and I'm gonna fan it. So we'll just slice it up here and we'll put that straight on the sourdough bread on the sandwich itself and not on the grill. So let's go ahead and flip this chicken breast over, and after that we'll go ahead and turn this bacon over as well and get that flipped over and cooking. We'll get it nice and crispy before we put it on the sandwich. Okay, let's give these tomatoes a quick flip. Right here I'm trying to use this rubber plastic spatula and it's not really doing the job. So I think I will have to go inside and go get a real one. But for now, we'll throw the tomatoes on and go from there. Alright, now that I have a real spatula, we'll get these unstuck from the grill. It's going to stick a little bit because it has Parmesan cheese on it. This spread is nice and crispy and just the way we want it. So we'll check the bacon. It's looking pretty good. The chicken looks like it's just about done. Internal temperature at least 165. I'm gonna give this a little whack and check inside. Yep, looks like it needs about another 10 or 15 seconds. So we'll put the lid back on and go from there. Okay, the chicken's done. The bread's nice and crispy. The bacon's nice and crispy. So let's throw that on the sandwich. We'll put the 3 pieces of bacon and flip this over. Make sure the bread is nice and crispy before you serve it, because nobody likes a soggy sandwich. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and cut this in half real quick. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. It's one of my favorite sandwiches of all time. Look at this sandwich. This thing's awesome. It's got tons of bacon and cheese and chicken and avocado and crispy Parmesan. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this thing. See how we did. Yep, this thing's super delicious. If you like this video or if you like the recipe, please subscribe below. Thank you for visiting. See you again.